I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. I don't know about you, but there are some days when I'm really just in the mood to cook. I'm gonna get in the kitchen, spread everything out, turn on some music, and make something really nice. Then there are those days when I don't feel like that. I've mentioned this before, but I like to keep several different versions of these Marcangelo skewers in my freezer. The ones I'm going to work with today are a honey barbecue glaze bacon wrapped chicken. This is an incredibly quick meal that's kind of a take on a wintertime barbecue chicken. This dish is low calorie for those of you that have started your New Year's diets, and it is full of flavor. Let's get started. These Marcangelo skewers come 4 in a package. There's 2 skewers in a serving, and each serving has just 250 calories. I have a lot of friends who just cook for 1 or 2 people. This recipe is so great because you can divide out the skewers and the grits and only make as much as you're going to need that night. Today, I'm just going to make this meal for 1. We're going to need 1 packet of these Quaker instant grits. I love these grits because they come in individual packets. Each packet is 100 calories. We're going to need a half a cup water for our grits, so let's get that boiling. I'm cutting these skewers apart. I'll eat 2 today and 2 tomorrow. I love these skewers just the way they are, but today I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to remove the bacon wrapped chicken pieces from the skewers, and we're going to toss those into a skillet individually. My water's boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 pack of grits to that pan. I'm going to add just a tiny dash of salt and pepper to these grits, and then they're ready to come off the heat. The last piece of this puzzle is an absolute favorite at my house. Glory turkey seasoned collard greens. Guys, my family loves these things. You don't have to season them. You don't have to do anything to them. We're just going to open these cans and heat these up. A half cup of these greens, 30 calories. My skillet is hot, so I'm ready to add my bacon wrapped chicken. Now, because I really want to get the feeling of barbecued chicken here, when these bacon wrapped chicken medallions get about halfway done, I'm going to add a little extra barbecue sauce. That barbecue sauce has caramelized on my bacon wrapped chicken. I think we're ready to get this on a plate. First thing we'll do is put down our grits. Now we'll add a little bit of those glory greens. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried these things, you really need to. They are delish. Be sure to get plenty of those. Now we'll add our Marcangelo bacon wrapped chicken. And we have got one delicious looking dish here. I've got a little bit of everything I need on this fork. Oh, let's give this a try. We've got big flavor here from the collard greens and from the caramelized barbecue sauce that I put on the bacon wrapped chicken. The grits tie it all together. Guys, this is a great 20-minute meal. Marcangelo products are available throughout the United States and Canada. In Kentucky, you can find their products at Kroger. I hope you have a great rest of the week. I'll see you soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.